what we have here is a class 1 laser particle counter. This is actually going to measure ultrafine particles at 0.3 micron. That's 900 times smaller than the tip of a human hair. So what we're going to actually show you is the amount of particulates coming in the FDA-listed class 2 medical device Healthway Deluxe. And roughly in the intake, you're getting 212,000 particles per cubic foot of air. I bring it up to the exhaust, I'm going to measure the efficiency of this air cleaner. And what you'll quickly see is the machine 21,000 down to 0. This machine is removing 100% of all ultrafine particles that are known to cause cardiovascular disease, stroke, etc. Now what we'll do is we'll come over to this other box, and this will actually show you how the machine effectively removes smoke, odors, ultrafine particles are often made up in smoke. And you'll see how this machine quickly and effectively removes smoke in an environment. We'll load it up and then turn the machine on. In as little as 10 seconds, you'll see how much more effective this machine is at collecting smoke, particles, etc. Nowadays, indoor air pollution in general is known as the #1 health concern. The WHO states that. The biggest issue you see in the market today is people aren't addressing, and manufacturers aren't addressing ultrafine particles. Ultrafine particles are known to cause cardiovascular disease, stroke, heart attack, cancer, etc. This machine here is FDA listed as a class 2 medical device to actually remove ultrafine particles. We're actually creating 18 kV inside this system. I can show you right here. This is the only machine in the world that's been individually certified and tested to handle all 3 pollutant categories. So here what we're doing is we're absorbing and collecting all the gases, odors, chemicals, tyllenes, formaldehydes from off-gassing of paint, walls, draperies, carpets. So if someone in the home really struggles with odors or chemicals, this filter here is going to do a really great job at absorbing and handling all the gases and odors in the space. It also captures the large particles that we see floating in the air. What we have here is our media filter. Here's where the technology actually comes in. This filter is a lot less dense than a medical grade HEPA. So what we're doing is we can move a lot more air, which is going to have a much bigger impact in the space. But as I showed you earlier, the technology here is I have a metal grid here and a metal grid right here. We're creating 18 kV of electricity, and we're actually coagulating all the particles that come into this filter. So we can achieve the highest level of filtration efficiency without the pressure drop. So we can move much more and have a much greater impact on the space. The other benefit is this metal grid here and this metal grid here, we're creating 18 kV through every fiber of this media. We're destroying mold, virus, bacteria, and fungi. The end result, as I showed with the particle counter, is nothing but 100% clean, healthy air.
Right? And then that just shows you how quickly it can move the particle.
Unbelievable. Awesome.